wiggle text effect. On the edit page, click on effects and title and drag the text plus above your video clip. On the effects tab, click on this 3-dot icon and make sure you have the check mark for show legacy resolve FX. Then under resolve FX, search for ripples and drag it to the text plus. Now on the inspector, change your text, font and size. Click on the effects tab. There uncheck the sign option, check the animate option. Keep the amplitude for ripple to 0.2 and frequency to 30. Or adjust it to your preference.